Prior to migration activities in Entra ID, create a backup. Manage backups should be configured to enable a backup schedule and ensure all options desired are included. Identity recovery will perform multiple backups daily when configured. Configure connection for the ability to restore hybrid objects that originate on premises. A file will be available to download with configuration information required for on-premises component. Unpack backup will prepare the backup and show differences against the live environment. In this restoration, a security admin altered a conditional access policy that is prohibiting hybrid join machines from accessing applications. The changed hyperlink surfaces the differences that can be restored. Restoration has now commenced. Recovery is now complete, allowing focus back on your migration.